Ray diagram. Ray diagram is very important topic for this lesson, students, because all the thing that you are going to learn in this topic are actually coming in 10th board also. Okay, so observe carefully whatever I am telling you in this topic. Be sure that you are able to make such a diagram by yourself also. Okay, so here is a diagram that we need to study, and this part that you can see that AOB is here. This is any kind of smooth surface. Okay, here we have taken this smooth surface, and that smooth surface could be anything like mirror or any polished surface. Fine. So any of these example could be taken. It is not just a thing that this actually the working of the light only happens on the smooth surfaces. No, nothing like that. You can take irregular surfaces also, but why we are taking this? Because the reading the values of the light by taking the smooth surface would be more accurate. Okay, that is why we have to take this for experiment purpose. Okay, students, and I am going to tell you one experiment procedure also, and you will going to enjoy that thing, and you can perform that experiment at your home only. Now, before proceeding further, so we are having certain terminologies that you should know about this ray diagram. One is this incident ray. What is this incident ray here? Any source of light that is present and the light that has been thrown by the source of light is known as the incident ray. Incident means falling on something. Incident, uske upar girna. Okay, so from the source, the light which is falling on any object that is not a luminous object, so that object could be visible to us, is known to be as the incident ray. Okay, incident means the falling light from the source. So the light energy that has been thrown is incident on this smooth surface and at this point O. Okay, so this point O, students, is known to be as the point of incidence. Why we calling it point of incidence? Because the incident ray is falling on the surface of the smooth surface or any other surface, and wherever the point at which it is striking is known to be as the point of incidence. Okay, now from this point, if we are going to make a 90 degree, and that 90 degree is not like you have to actually make a 90 degree by taking a rod or taking any wooden erect thing. No, nothing like that. It's just a surface, and from any point, if you want to imagine that there would be a straight line, that would be a perpendicular line, that is known to be as a normal. Okay, so the particular perpendicular line from the surface and from actually the point of incidence is known to be as the normal. Now, that normal is imaginary. That is why we have taken it in a dashed line manner. Okay, so this dashed line is known to be as the normal here. Now, students, as you can see, after striking at the point of incidence, this light is again bouncing back. It is deviating its path. If this surface would not be here, let's suppose this smooth surface would not be here, so this light will automatically pass on and goes on again and again and again. But because something is there which is blocking the way of this light, now from this blockage, because of this, it get deviate its path, and that deviation is known as the reflected ray. Okay, students, so now we can say that incident ray is the ray which is coming, and the reflected ray is the ray which is going, and from this point of incidence we are having one normal that is perpendicular to the surface, on which we are actually striking the light.